The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to the last day of the Bukal Season 5 Men's Basketball. It's the do-or-die game of the ACC Green Serpents versus the Annunciation Panthers. And of course, hanggang sa dulo po, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes and with me si Rick Prota para maghatid sa inyo ng aksyon. Dito lang yan.
Yes, kapamilya, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. This is the final game ng ating Bukal Season 5. So grabe, what an exciting season. Grabe ang na-feel natin dito, halo-halong emosyon. And this time, makikilala na natin kung sino ang magiging champion dito sa ating Seniors Division. It's between the ACC Green Serpents versus the Annunciation Panthers. So sit back and relax kasi alam ko maganda ang ibibigay nitong dalawang ito.
Ayan nga, Rick, for almost 4 months, I think, nagsama-sama tayo para maghatid ng aksyon dito yan sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. We shared a lot of stories with the players. Of course, yung mga fans sa kanilang mga eskwelahan, talaga namang grabe yung support ang ibinigay nila for almost 4 months. At ngayon, magtatapos na po tayo. We would like to thank all the people part of the Bukal Season 5 for making it possible. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa ating live coverage. Dito yan sa One Media TV 48 Naga and also sa ating Oragon Sports TV and Bukal Facebook page.
Ayan, Tin, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audiences sa loob ng ating venue. Talagang nakikita natin sa ating venue, talagang punong-puno na dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Talagang hakot kong hakot kasi ito naman ang last game ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Meanwhile, ang ating Annunciation Panthers, kahit kaunti sila pero full support sa kanilang kupunan ngayong hapon na ito, and I'm so excited kung anong ipapakita ng dalawang ito. Hindi ko alam kung mag-overtime ba ngayon, Tin, kasi this is the last game at ang ACC Green Serpents nga na-force ito sa ating do-or-die match. So, nagkaroon tayo ng Game 3 ngayon sa ating finals ng Seniors Division. So, I'm so excited and acknowledge din natin ang ating mga live viewers na ngayon, 400 plus na ang nanunood kahit hindi pa nagsisimula ang laro. So, talagang nakatutok sila kung sa kanilang mga bet dito sa ating larong ito kung sino ang makakakuha ng gold medal and gold trophy dito sa loob ng Bukal Season 5.
Ayan nga, Rick, ito pag-usapan natin yung nangyari kahapon. Kahapon yung ating Annunciation Panthers, medyo hindi sila nakapag-puntos ng masyado, hindi na ilabas ng mga players yung kanilang mga 3-pointers. But I think this time, last game na lamang, kailangan na nilang pagbutihin at makuha yung hinihingi nilang kampyonato ngayon. Of course, alam kong ready na sila on their side at para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from the Annunciation Panthers. Pero babalikan natin dyan si Rain. Pero ito, balikan lang natin muli ito yung Annunciation Panthers. Kahapon medyo hindi nakapaglaro dito yung mga star players nila like Peregrino, Matos. And of course, sa Salvacion, medyo hindi pumasok yung mga puntos niya kahapon. But let's see ngayon kung ready na ba sila to take on against the ACC Green Serpents. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Ting, good afternoon. We are back here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. The last and final round for this season, where the champion of the Bukal Season 5 for the Seniors Division will be announced. A battle between the Serpents and the Panthers. And as for the Panthers, this is their last chance to show off their skills in the hard court, and I am sure that they will not let go of the chance to finally be the victors of this league. From day one, folks, they have been nothing but incredible in winning every game that brought them here today. The Panthers drew the first blood, and they again are determined to win this third game. The final verdict for them. Kaya naman, let's give them the support that they deserve in this game. This is Rain Reyes, your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon, reporting live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So, Annunciation Panthers community, ibigay nyo na ang lahat dito sa pagsuporta sa inyong kupunan kasi ito na ang last game ng inyong school. So, I'm so excited and I'm pretty sure na bibigyan tayo ng magandang laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Sinabi mo nga, Tin, kahapon sa naganap na Game 2, hindi dito pinasok si Matos. Although pinasok siya, pero hindi masyadong nagamit inside the court. And of course, we have Fajardo, we have Peregrino, talagang matutunog na names when it comes to this Annunciation Panthers. And kitang-kita natin na ngayon, full force sila. And let's see kung anong gagawin na game plan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. On the side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, what a great game on that game number 2. Talagang binigay nila ang lahat para magkaroon ng Game 3. At ngayon, ready sila na makuha ang kampyonato. But before that, let's call our courtside reporter na si Ali at bigyan tayo ng update sa kanyang kupunan.
Hi, Tanandrik, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. The most anticipated and most prestigious basketball league in Bicol will cater its last matchup this season, with ACC Green Serpents and Annunciation Panthers battling it out one last time for the champion glory. This is Eliza Pate with Cesar Speto reporting on the side of Amando Cope College Green Serpents. Yesterday, the Green Serpents gave a fierce battle, leaving the audience in awe of their skills and determination to bounce back and give their team another chance to play this finals. Today, expect a fiercer battle with the more intense plays that will make the audience at the edge of their seats coming from the Green Serpents. So join me as we witness the Serpents leader this ball game. Only here on Bukal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, handang-handa ngayon ang ating ACC Green Serpents para makipagbakbakan kontra sa Annunciation Panthers. Of course, with their supporters na nandito ngayon sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, mas madadagdagan pa yung kanilang motivation to give their all to this game. Kaya titingnan natin maya-maya. Of course, napakagandang laban po ang ating mapapanood. It's the Game 3 of the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. Pero bago po ang lahat, gusto lang din po naming pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Bigs at Havayanas. Of course, sa lahat po nating mga sponsors, maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyo pong pagsuporta dito sa ating Bukal Season 5.
Ayan nga, Tin, ipapakilala na dito ang ating first 5 on both teams. So tutok lamang tayo dito mga kapatid, kapamilya, and anything na gustong manood sa ating Bukal Season 5. Kitang-kita ko nga dito ang Green Serpents community na talagang all out with band pa. Kaya I'm sure naggaganahan talagang maglaro dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Dito naman sa ating right bleachers, nakikita naman natin dito ang ating mga Annunciation Panthers community na kahit kaunti nga sinabi ko kanina, talagang full support when it comes to this game. So I'm so excited kung sino ba ang hihiranging bagong champion dito sa ating Bukal Season 5.
Bukal Season 5, and this is the Game 3 Finals. This is the win or go home match, seniors category. Who do you think will be our champion for this year? Will it be the Annunciation Panthers or the Amando Cope Green Serpents? Ladies and gentlemen, our players and our competitors. From the Annunciation Panthers, jersey number 11, Stel Aralton Bustillo. Jersey number 28, John Christian Peregrino. Jersey number 5, Henner Graida. Jersey number 16, Mark Brian Almini. Jersey number 27, Haji Eugene Anoras. Jersey number 24, Mark Christian Sandrino. Jersey number 9, Giancarlo Planas. Jersey number 17, Kenneth Sabio. Jersey number 15, Sean Wesley Malapas. Jersey number 4, Nove Fulvio. Jersey number 7, John Pecado. Jersey number 77, Jerry Campo. Jersey number 2, Joven Salvacion. Jersey number 10, Mal Lester Matos. Jersey number 69, Mag Ernest Fajardo. Coach Ron Almazar. us now with, ladies and gentlemen, our players from the Amanda Tope Queens Superbirds. Jersey number 19, Tin Pasaysay. Jersey number 16, Rodrigo Almayor. Jersey number 8, Juan Carl Galvez. Jersey number 6, John Nico Magar. Jersey number 7, Rosendo Audito Acabado. Jersey number 14, Leonard Advincula. Jersey number 5, Eman Yandoro. Jersey number 18, Coronero Mark Alvin. Jersey number 10, Juan Bordilla. Jersey number 11, John Cedric Bron. Jersey number 17, Kid Aaron Penobra. Jersey number 15, Mike Joseph Septo. Jersey number 12, Leonel Palazze. Jersey number 9, Mark Vincent Bonavante. Jersey number 4, Jun Azimer Romarao. Coach John Rodriguez. Now we request everyone to please rise for the Philippine National Anthem. Players, shake hands. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. The Game 3 finals. The win or go home.
Ayan nga, Rick, ang ating dalawang kupunan na maglalaban ngayon. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the Annunciation Panthers. Now, this is a very exciting game now. Now, we are on the last day of the Bukal Season 5. Kaya naman, yung mga supporters po ng ating ACC at Annunciation, just comment down below po dahil babasahin po namin siya. Maya lamang po. And in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang Game 3 do-or-die game of the ACC versus Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun nga, Tin, mag-shoutout muna tayo dito habang naghihintay ng ating first 5 ng dalawang kupunan. Shoutout po kay Angel Laika Buela, Ken Allen Salazar, Rian Rowie Martinez Latif, Angel Laika Buela, Joris De Leon, Harold Sendico, Jericho Bilolo Bogok, John Carlo Completo, and Althea Berces. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
Yan, shoutout ko din dito si Alexander Rubio, Mark Angelo Palagam at kay Gerald Pitas na galing kay Luis Alexander Lapid. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Of course, kay Joris De Leon, Harold Sandico, Gigi Barcenas at kay AJ Balde. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, while waiting, salamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Aricus, Mera, Havaianas, Bigs, and Indies Sportswear.
And team, may nagpapahablo po lang shoutout. Shoutout po sa ating birthday girl na si Ma'am Irene Tosok. Happy birthday po.
Papakilala na natin ang ating first five.
Salvacion. Yaman Mokope. First up. Jersey number 16, Almarion. Jersey number 6, Nagal. Jersey number 7, Albado. Jersey number 10, Bornilla. Officiating officials. Crew Chief Edmund Baraon. First umpire, Umpire 1 Abelardo Bunano Chumacera Jr. Umpire 2 CJ Sanchez. Fires, good luck. Let's begin.
And that's it. Magsimula na po tayo ng larong ACC versus Annunciation. Now tip-off. First ball possession, Annunciation.
Now, same first five ang nakikita natin dito sa loob ng court para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Maagang turnover dito para sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now ACC's basketball. Acabado. Now, guarded by Calpo here. Passes now to Nico Nagar. Tries for 3. No good.
Now, Salvacion. Dala-dala ang bola dito para sa Annunciation Panthers. Manlapas. Pasa sa Salvacion. Fires for that 3. At unang press para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Credit that on Salvacion.
Now Acabado. Passes here to jersey number 14, Avincula. 10 seconds to shoot here. Almarion. No good.
Great rebound coming from Manlapas. Now Almine passes to the big man. No good.
Now Almarion for the first basket of the ACC Green Serpents.
Almine passes to his teammate. What a great connection between Almine and Sabio on that last sequence.
Now we're only starting our quarter 1 for this matchup. Acabado pass to Almarion. To Braun. Now Braun going inside. No good. Pero Acabado tries for 3. A big 3 coming from Acabado.
We're all tied up at 5. Now Salvacion and Almine turnover dito para sa ating Panthers. Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents.
No steal by Calpo here. And another point for the Annunciation Panthers. No ACC. Ball will stay on the side. the ACC Green Serpents. Naval Marion to inbound here. Passes now to Nico Nagar. 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Guarded here by Almiñe. Now passes to Advincula. Acabado ulit for long two. No good.
Again, Manlapas with a rebound ngayon. Almiñe may hawak ng bola para sa Panthers. What a great fast break, but no good on that attempt, and the ball goes on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Medyo maingay dito yung supporters ng ACC Green Serpents supporting the ACC. Pero that would be an offensive foul. Turnover para sa Annunciation Panthers. 5-7 on our scoreboard. Just a 2-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe, magandang depensa agad ang pinapakita dito ng Panthers. Now, it's their ball possession. 7-5 sa ating talaan. Calpo, passes to Almiñe. Salvacion. Files for that 3. Pero matatawagan doon si Acabado ng foul. Now, Salvacion on that free throw opportunity. 3 shots para dito sa koponan ng Panthers. First attempt was good para dito kay Salvacion. When we talk about this player, Salvacion coming from Panthers, talagang matunog ang pangalan niya when it comes to the 3-point shooting. Nakita naman natin ito during the elimination hanggang nag-semifinals tayo. And let's see kung ano pang ipapakitang maganda dito na Salvacion.
No. ACC's basketball. Acabado ngayon may hawak ng bola. Tries for 3. No good.
Manlapas, nagmamadali dito. Goes inside, no good. Salvacion on that rebound. Now, Calpo taking his time and looking for his teammate. Almiñe jumps for that 3. Salvacion, no good. The ball will stay on the side of the Panthers. Grabe talaga, what a great play para dito sa Panthers. Ayaw patawidin ang bola. Salvacion, one more time for that 3, no good. What a great pass, great play para dito sa Panthers. Kitang-kita naman natin kung gaano napaganda nga ang pasa. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. At on that last sequence, Nagari the steal. And Manlapas, tatawagan dito ng foul.
Now, this would be the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. .5:11 on our scoreboard. 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Medyo nagkakaroon ng dito ng discussion. Yan. Pero bago yan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Kylene Arandia, kay Orn at Angel Laika Buela, pati na rin kay Missy Bonaobra. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now the score is 5-12 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, back to the ball game tayo as ACC's basketball. They have the chance here to lessen the gap of the Annunciation Panthers. Acabado. Passes now here to jersey number 17, Bonaobra. Now Bonaobra dancing with Matos. 12 seconds to shoot here.
What a great steal coming from Matos. Sabio, no good on that.
Now ACC's basketball, Acabado. On the inside para dito kay Nico Nagar for an easy 2.
Salvacion. May hawak ng bola dito para sa Panthers. No good on that. Panthers ball possession pa din. Calpo. Pasa sa Salvacion. Salvacion for that 3. No good. Too short on that. And the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Side of the Annunciation Panthers, kailangan na lang siguraduhin na papasok yung kanilang mga tira dito so that they can get that lead against the ACC. Now, basketball of ACC. Bunaobra now with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot here. 5-point lead of the Panthers. Bunaobra now. Pass here to Acabado. Acabado going inside. Wala pa rin.
Now Sabio for that fast break. No good. And the foul was called on jersey number 15 of the Serpents. Now Sabio on the free throw opportunity. 2 shots for him.
No ACC's basketball here. 7-14. 7-point lead from the Annunciation Panthers. Done. Nagar will inbound now. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Now Nagar. Passes here to Septo. Now Acabado. Guarded here on the inside for an easy 2. Napakadali na putas para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now Panthers ball possession. Matos is in. Salvacion looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Matos nagmamadali dito. Passes to Calpo. What a great anticipation sa baba ng ating ring coming from the Panthers.
No, Septo. To Nagar. 15 seconds tries for a 3.
Now Salvacion with that rebound. Passes to big man Fajardo. Now Matos itatawid niya ng bola. Grabe naman ang and a foul was called on jersey number 18 on the ACC Green Serpents. Now Fajardo mabibigyan dito ng 2 shots para sa kanyang koponan.
.918 on our scoreboard here. Half of the score of the Annunciation Panthers. Now ball possession of the ACC. Almarion. To inbound. Now passes here to Acabado. Jersey number 5 with the ball. Llantero. Back to Acabado. with just 13 seconds to shoot on their side. 10 seconds. Liantero again with the ball. Going inside. No good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Bron.
What a great steal! Amazing performance para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Nakita mo ba yung pag-steal na yon? Grabe! Jersey number 16 was committed a foul on that last sequence. Now Bustillo stepping on that free throw line. So every points count dito para sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. On that second attempt, it was successfully done para dito kay Bustillo.
Nolan with the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. Liantero passes. Jersey number 17 too short for that one, but Bron was there for a second chance ball.
Now, Panthers ball possession. Matos to Salvacion. No good on that 3-point attempt.
Now Alvario passes the ball na Obra. But still, but the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, this would be different without Galvez of the ACC Green Serpents. Natawagan nga siya ng technical kahapon kung kaya hindi po siya makakapaglaro dito. Now, let's see what will happen on the ACC Green Serpents now. One of the best players of the ACC. Now, Liantero. 12 seconds to shoot here. Going inside. Solo for that EC2. Galing dito. Liantero.
And a timeout was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 19-13 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami uli here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for the continuation of the do-or-die game of the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. 13-19 on our scoreboard. 6-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers.
Now Calpo will have an opportunity to add their score here sa ating first quarter. First attempt was a clean basket.
Now, Bron passes now to Septo. Liantero ngayon may hawak ng bola. Didiretso. Bron was there again. No good.
Great rebound coming from the Panther side. Now Fajardo.
Salvacion loses the ball. Now Bonaobra passes to Mario.
Now, 54 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Salvacion with the ball. Passes to Matos. Fires for that one. No good.
The ACC Green Serpents with just 40 seconds sa ating first quarter. Now Liantero with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot for the ACC Green Serpents. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagkakainita na din between the players here. Now the last 29 seconds of the first quarter. 11 seconds to shoot for the ACC. Liantero with the ball. A whistled foul. Natawagan nga dyan si Matos ng foul. Again, this is the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 14 seconds to shoot here. Liantero passes here on the inside.
What a great steal coming from the Panthers. Back-to-back steal from both teams.
Now 19 seconds remaining. Liantero on the line for 2 shots here. 15-20. Making it 16. Apat na lamang hinahabol dito ng ACC Green Serpents bago pa magtapos ang ating first quarter. Now Liantero again for his second attempt on the free throw line. 2 over 2.
Now, 15 seconds on our first quarter. Salvacion. 10 seconds. Matos with a jump shot. What a great buzzer beater para dito kay Salvacion on the side of Panthers. Grabe. First quarter pa lamang pero talagang mainit na ang bakbakan ng dalawang koponan na ito. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV para sa ating mainit na bakbakan sa loob ng court sa ating second quarter.
We are back again here at Ateneo Gymnasium for the second quarter of the do-or-die game of Annunciation and ACC with that last shot of Salvacion. That's a 2 points, making it 17-22. 5-point lead of the Panthers here. Now ACC's basketball, Liantero. 18 seconds to shoot here. Liantero going inside, heavily guarded here. Bron passes, no good. Calpo, no good. Matos. Whistled foul for Matos here. So a turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ACC's basketball. Almario. Passes here to Bonaobra. Back to Almario. 20 seconds to shoot here. Liantero nagmamadali dito for a layup. No good. But that would be an offensive foul. Fajardo of Annunciation Panthers with that offensive foul. One of the players. Now 14-second shot clock for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Almario to inbound. Now Acabado on the inside, block by Salvacion. Pero another steal for the side of the ACC now, Bonaobra. Passes to Acabado. Taking their time here with just 11 seconds to shoot. Now Almario again. Whistled foul. Medyo hindi pumapasok ngayon dito yung mga puntos ng ACC Green Serpents. Medyo nahihirapan sila sa shooting sa loob. Now, Almario will be on the line for 2 shots here. 17-22. 5-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers. No good for that first attempt of Almario. We'll try again for the second time. This is only the second quarter of the game. Mahaba-haba pa pong bakbakan to. Now making it 18-22. Now ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Calpo. Back to Calpo ang bola.
Now Panthers ball possession. Fajardo. Great steal coming from the Serpents.
Now Bonaobra on the inside para dito kay Almario for a layup.
Ayan, 22-20 sa ating talaan. And to hear an update sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
And the Serpents are working on their rhythm. During the huddle, Coach John emphasized that in this ball game, they must always keep their eyes on the prize and head on the game. They were also reminded that despite their high efficiency on the three-point line, they must not merely settle on their outside shooting, rather go to the rim and get a basket. Last game before going home to Tabaco Albay, carrying the torch of their junior counterparts as the champions of Bukal Season 5. Kaya naman buhos at magtrabaho. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Yan, kailangan pag-igihan itong performance ng ACC Green Serpents dito para sa ating second quarter. As we can see, medyo nahihirapan sila doon sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter with the scoring. Hindi pumapasok medyo yung mga puntos nila sa baba. Now, ball possession of the Panthers here. Now, Bonaobra secure the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. 15 seconds to shoot here. Lamang ng dalawa ang Panthers. Now Almario. No good.
Now, Panthers ball possession. Pero great steal coming from the Serpents. At para makangi ng update sa side ng Panthers naman, let's call our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain! Anong balita dyan?
Hello, Tina and Rick. From the very beginning of the match, the Panthers are already eager and hungry for victory. With that, they started the match in confidence, where they displayed strong defenses and proper plays that led them to win the first quarter. But of course, this is just the beginning, folks. Players are still reminded to continue what they are doing in the hard court. Never let the opponent read their next move and display proper screens. And be wise in doing their offense dribble drive. So far, the Panthers are putting up a great fight. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, medyo maganda din yung naging performance ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers compared yesterday. And they just need to be consistent with their scoring now. They are on the lead of 2. Now, ball possession of the Panthers here.
No good on that 3-point attempt. Now, Serpents ball possession.
Now, Mario. Blocked.
Naibaba dito sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
For replay. Blocked by Dicano of Panthers. This still the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Acabado tries for 3, no good.
Now, Decano nagmamadali dito. Passes to Calpo. Fajardo to Salvacion. No good on that. Naagaw nga ngayon dito ng ACC Green Serpents ang bola.
Almario. No good.
So back to 4-point lead. Ball possession let dito ng ACC Green Serpents.
Bunaobra now with the ball. 20-24. 4-point lead of the Panthers here. Now pass to Almario. 8 seconds to shoot. Now tries for 3. That's coming from Septo.
Grabe with that 3 points na ibaba na dito sa isa. Ang kailangang habulin ng ACC Green Serpents. And a whistle foul. And that last sequence coming from our referee.
Now still ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers here. Now Calpo, pass to Dicano now. Back to Calpo. 10 seconds to shoot. No good for that attempt. Now ACC's basketball. Lagar back on the court. Passes on the inside. Para dito kay Almario. Si Almario ngayon ang nagpapainit sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang Annunciation Panthers dahil sa isang puntos na kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents. 25-24, magkabalik po kami. Only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga
And we are back here sa ating matchup between the Serpents and the Panthers. Abante na nga dito ng isa ang Amando Cope College Serpents. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. Manlapas, fights for that 3, no good. Nagaron that rebound.
No, we have a chance here. Nagkar for that layup. Napakaganda. Imposible pero nagawa niya ng paraan.
Abante na nga dito ng 3 ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Ano kayang gagawin ngayon ng Panthers to erase that gap? And a foul was called on jersey number 18. Para dito sa side ng ating Green Serpents. Now Sabio on that free throw opportunity. No good on that first attempt. One more time for Sabio, but this time it was a clean basket.
Nagkakaroon na nga ng initan dito between the players of these two teams. Medyo mainit-init na bago pa magtapos itong ating second quarter. Titingnan natin maya-maya kung ano nga ba magiging desisyon dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ay, agad yung mga ulo nitong ating mga players. 27-24. Now, the referees will review what happened. Four minutes and 58 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now ACC and Annunciation heating up against each other. Dahil nga diktikan ng ating labanan ngayong hapon na ito. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, we just would like to shout out our live viewers. Shout out kay John Mark Plaza, Luis Gil Cervantes, Robbie Berses Dino, Christian Banzale Laguno, at kay Trisha Sison. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Let's just wait for the confirmation of the referees on what really happened a while ago between the players of the ACC and Annunciation.
So nagkakaroon dito ng replay on the side of our referees para makita kung ano bang dapat itawag on that last sequence.
Napakaganda ng bakbakang ACC at Annunciation dito sa ating second quarter. Kabilibusan nila ang lahat. For this is a do or die game and a championship finale of the Bukal Season 5 Men's Basketball. Just a few minutes, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba ang desisyon ng ating mga referee doon sa huling nangyaring muntikan ng magkainitan. Itong dalawang koponan na ito. (27-25). Just a 2-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Four minutes and 58 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. Hello sa Elite Sportswear, Big Savayanas, Ari Cruz at Mera. And also to NCF and Tiger Wings. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. We're going to hear the and another angle for it. Batok, Salvacion, and Coronejo of ACC. Yun, nauna si Almario dun sa leg ni Salvacion. And then Salvacion answers. Yan, while waiting sa final decision ng ating mga referee, would like to thank our live audience, the ACC Green Serpents community, and of course the supporters of the Annunciation Panthers, as well our live audience. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay doon sa ating last sequence. It's between Salvacion and Almario. Naunang humawak itong si Almario sa leeg ni Salvacion.
Resumption of the game. Number 18 of ACC, unsportsmanlike foul. Number 2 of announcement, out of the playing court. Number 11 of ACC, unsportsmanlike foul. Number 17 of announcement, unsportsmanlike foul. Resumption of the ball game, ACC basketball.
Now, that's the final decision of the referees. Salvacion out of the playing. Like, foul para dito kay jersey number 17, 11, and 18 of ACC Green Serpents. No. This would be the ACC's basketball.
Back to the ball game.
Now back to the ball game tayo. This would be the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Again, Salvacion of Annunciation Panthers out of the playing court. And jersey number 17, Sabio of Annunciation Panthers. Unsportsmanship-like foul. As well as dito kay jersey number 11, Bron, and 18, Almario of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession of ACC. Acabado to inbound here.
CJ.
Now Acabado passes to Almario. Acabado on the inside. No good.
Nice steal coming from the Panthers. Now the show must go on dito para sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Foul number 17, pushing foul.
Now both teams are on the penalty. Broad will be on the free throw line. (27-25), 2-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Bron for his first attempt on the free throw line. That's good. Now Bron for his second attempt. No good. No offensive rebound para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Calpo, heavily guarded here. But a steal by Acabado. No, Acabado having the ball. No, nagkakagawan dito. Now, Acabado. That would be an 8 seconds violation for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, another turnover. Annunciation's basketball. Calpo to inbound. Now, passes here to Manlapas. Tries for 3. Bang! That's a 3-pointers coming from Manlapas out the Annunciation Panthers. We are now tied on 28 all. Now, basketball of the ACC. Loses the ball. Nagar. Now, passes to Coronejo. Coronejo, no good.
Now Fajardo on that rebound. Fajardo. Passes to Alminia, no good. Pero Fajardo pa rin on that second chance point, no good. Now Nagar on that rebound and still.
Now Acabado. Napakaganda nun between Almario and Acabado with that communication inside the court. Manlapas, no good. Offensive rebound, Fajardo. Wala pa rin. Now, Nico Nagar. Handing the ball to the ACC Green Serpents. Passes to Acabado. Tries for 3. No good.
Now Panthers ball possession. Sabio. Passes to Manlapas. Tries for that 3. No good. Sabio. And a whistle from that last play. Now 2-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng ACC Green Serpents. Sabio on that free throw opportunity. No good on that first try para dito kay Sabio. Para doon sa pangalawang subok ni Sabio, makakakuha siya ng basket.
Now, ACC's basketball. Almario handing the ball for the ACC now, going inside. Ball will stay on their side. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Now, Almario on the free throw line for 2 shots here. First attempt is good. Now we will try again for the second time. 31-29. Making it 32. 3-point lead dito ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now 3-point advantage para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Now Panthers ball possession. Fajardo passes to his teammate. Now Calpo fires for that 3. And with that 3 points, we are all tied up at 32.
Now Nagar passes here to Acabado. 15 seconds on their shot clock. Nagar again with the ball. Just 10 seconds to shoot here. We are tied on 32 all. Now Acabado tries for 3. Bang! Napakagandang tres. Galing kay Acabado. Now another point for the Annunciation Panthers side. ACC's basketball now. 1-point lead here, 35-34. Now Acabado again handling the ball here. Tries again for 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3 coming from Acabado of ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Panthers basketball. Harper with the ball. Passes to Peregrino. And a foul was called on jersey number 5 coming from the ACC Green Serpents. No good on that first attempt coming from Peregrino.
Now ACC's basketball na. 38-39 or 35 on our scoreboard. 3-point lead of the ACC now. Nagar handing the ball here. Going inside para dito kay Coronel.
45 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Matos, no good on that 3-point attempt.
Now, Yantero passes here to Acabado, no good.
Fajardo with the rebound. Now Matos. The ball will stay on the side of the Panthers. 5-point lead dito ang hawak ng Amando Cope.
Now, second chance point galing kay Fajardo. Naibaba na sa 3 dito ang Kalamangan. 10 seconds to shoot. Yantero. Passes to Nagar. 4 seconds remaining. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ACC Green Serpents. 40-37, just a 3-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan, most especially the ACC Green Serpents. Thanks to that 2 points or 2 3 points of Acabado. 40-37 with 4 seconds remaining on our first half. Back to the ball game. 4 seconds remaining. 40-37. This will be ACC's basketball. Now Liantero to inbound. A quick 2. Coming from jersey number 15, Septo. And that ends our first half. 42-37. A 5-point lead coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami for more actions Only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Alright! Galing nito! Sir, excuse dito kayo. Sir, bakit gusto nyo? Ito nyo! Pasa ulit! Pasa nyo! Go, go, go! Oops! Halika na dito. Dalawa po kayo. Sa annunciation naman tayo. Bola. Wala ba yung ano? Okay. Annunciation, papasa nyo lang po yung bola. Pag huminto yung tugtog, kung sino may hawak ng bola, siya po yung maglalaro. Okay? Lady, tapon mo na. Tapon nyo po. Pasa-pasa lang. Pasa nyo po yung bola. Pasa-pasa lang. Oops! Diretso, uy. Meron na. Meron na. Dito ka na. Yung sa ACC po, sir, dito na po kayo, yung dalawa po. Yung dalawa po, dito na po. Goal, isa pa. Music tayo. Pasa nyo po. Pasa nyo bola. Okay. So may nakuha na po tayong dalawa. Yung ACC po, okay, asa po si Sir? Sir? Dito po kayo. Sir, Okay. Simpleng-simpleng laro. Free throw lang to. Havaianas shoot out. Okay. Halin po kayo, sir. Pag sinabi ko pong Havaianas, sisigaw po kayo ng have a shot. Okay? Pangalan, interview muna. I-interviewin ko muna. Mga kaibigan, nandito po tayo ngayon. Ito po si Casabel Gaz. Pangalan?
Harwin Espinosa po.
Harley Espinosa. Ilang taon ka na?
I am 21 years old po.
21 years old. Taga saan ka?
Taga Matagbak, Tabaco City po. Pang Tabaco po.
Shout out. Kawayan mo mga taga-Tabaco.
Shoutout guys sa mga suporta guys ng ACC Southern Serpents.
Alright. Ano nga yung pangalan mo?
Ano po?
Pangalan mo ulit.
Harwin po.
Harvin. Palayaw mo.
Ping po. Ping.
Ping. Okay, Ping. Dito tayo sa free throw line. Havaianas! Have a shot! Cheer! Papasok kaya? Mintis! Diyan ka lang. May isa ka pa chance. Sir. Daming fans! Pangalan, sir?
Arturo Verses Clerigo from Armando Coffee College. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Bahala ka mo.
Sir! Havaianas!
Have a shot!
Suporta! Papasok ba? Eto na. Uy! Ganda naman ng shoot. Yun ang shoot. Maganda yan. Gayahin ko. Eto na. Tira, sir. Would like to request the President of the Bukal, Sir Mario Villanueva, to present the award for Sir Arturo sa free throw. Galing?
Junmar Madrona, salamat sa kamot mo.
Shooter si Sir. This game was brought to us by Havaianas. Ito naman ngayon. Ito naman, sa annunciation tayo. Pangalan?
From Cedric po.
Cedric. Okay. Ilang taon ka na, Cedric?
23 po.
Ilan?
23.
May girlfriend?
Meron po.
Patay tayo dyan. Havaianas!
Habashot!
Tira tayo! Annunciation, cheer niyo naman! Si Cedric! Uy! Pumasok din! Sir Mario, please. Okay. Okay. Pangalan?
Von.
Von. Ilang taon ka na, Von?
17.
17. May girlfriend? May girlfriend?
Meron.
Patay tayo dyan. Meron daw. Don Habayas!
Have a shot!
Have a shot! Free throw. Eto na yun yung. Pasok Don! Sorry, Cedric. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po, Havayanas. Galing naman. Sir! Sir Arturo. Sir Art. Sir Art. Ano Sir Art? Sir! Mapaturo naman ako kung paano ginawa mong ganun. Isa pa! Isa pa! Sige! Sir Art! Isang shot pa. Eto na yun yun. Sir Art, gagayahin ko yan kapag paturo ako. Sayang! Sir, paturo akong ganon. Paano ito, sir? Kaliwa. Session na po, kaliwete ko eh. Wala talaga. Okay, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Sir Art, thank you very much. Havayanas, maraming salamat po.
We are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Game 3 ng Finals on Seniors Division. Third quarter na nga and still, abante pa rin dito ang Amando Cope College.
First basket dito sa ating third quarter by El Nino of the Panthers. Now, ACC's basketball, too strong for that one. So, maagang turnover para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Ball possession of the Panthers here. Malapas. Now, back-to-back turnover para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 42-39. Now, Nagar handling the ball for the ACC. 20 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here by Alminia. Now, Bron. Passes again to Nagar. But a whistled foul. Humahabol nga dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. At para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Rick. Things are getting heated up again in the hard court, and with this, jersey number 2 of the Panthers was assessed with a technical foul. But still, even with what happened, they're determined to keep on playing and execute both offense and defense plays. Coach Ron once again reminded them to avoid distractions and focus on winning the game. They may have lessened, but their eagerness did not. With their actions, proper zones, screens, and positions, they are going to win this game. Magtrabaho tayo! Last game na natin to, as their team captain fiercely shouted, "This is the Panthers ready to go all out and display an even more excellent performance from this point on." Yan muna sa ngayon, back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that update, Rain. So hindi pa tapos dito ang laban para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see kung anong gagawin nilang game plan dito sa ating natitirang quarters.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Just a 1-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second half of the matchup, and the Serpents are now showing perfect rhythm inside the hard court. During the halftime dugout, the coaches established a dignified plan to counter the Panthers' play, and that is to implement the half-court man-to-man defense. Earlier on the game, tensions are high sa ibang mga players, kaya naman they were also reminded to relax at huwag magpapadala sa emosyon. Focus! Last 1 minutes of the game, this will now be a battle of possession by possession. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that update, Ali. So yun nga, talagang mainit ang bakbakan between these two teams. Talagang walang nagpapauli. 42-41 sa ating talaan. Isang puntos lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Serpents. Now ball possession ng kanilang kupunan.
Now handing the ball, Yantero. 16 seconds to shoot, passes to Bron. Now Bron loses the ball here. Fajardo was there to get it. Now Fajardo passes to Alminye. 15 seconds to shoot, Fajardo. To Calpo for 3. Bang! Napakagandang tres galing kay Calpo. No ACC's basketball. Bonaobra now. Going for a quick 2.
And we are all tied up at 44. Grabe, palitan ng puntos para sa dalawang koponan na ito. Talagang ang gandang depensa at offense ang pinapakita. Now Calpo fires for that 3, no good.
Now Yantero, long pass.
And a basket count para dito kay Alminye at samahan pa yan ng foul on jersey number 15 ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now ACC's basketball here. Bonaobra now handing the ball. 20 seconds to shoot here. Now Bonaobra. Block by Fajardo now. Didiretso siya for an easy layup. Lamang na nga po ang ating Annunciation Panthers by 3. At napatawag na nga ng timeout yun ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 44-49. 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now we are back on the ball game here. This would be the ACC's basketball. Bonaobra now passes to Acabado. Back to Bonaobra. Lamang po ang ating annunciation dito ng 5 na Bonaobra. Passes to Acabado. Tries for 3. In and out ball here.
Fajardo on that rebound. Abante na dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Calpo fires for that 3. Too long for that. Offensive rebound dito para sa Panthers. 14 seconds to shoot. Rather 10 seconds.
No, 14 seconds on the shot clock for the Panthers. 10 seconds. Manlapas to Alminye. Naubusan na nga dyan ng oras. 24 second shot clock violation. Now, ACC's basketball. Lamang pa rin sila dito ng 5 ang Panthers. Now, Bonaobra. Passes here to Llantero. Now, Llantero. To Septo. Coronejo ngayon may hawak ng bola. Back to Septo na Acabado with just 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Pero naipasok pa yan. Wala. Hindi naipasok na yung tres na yan. Now, still 44-49 on our scoreboard.
Fajardo may hawak ng bola. Passes to Alminye. No good on that. 3-point attempt. Now, Acabado itatawid ang bola dito para sa Serpents.
Llantero. 17 seconds to shoot. Passes on the inside. A whistled foul para dito kay Manlapas. Now, Llantero to inbound. Passes now. No good.
Now Calpo. No good on that layup attempt. The ball will stay on the side of the ACC Panthers. Annunciation Panthers rather. Calpo on that offensive rebound. Bantay sarado dito. So ACC basketball ngayon. Coming from that last sequence.
Now Nagar to inbound. Passes to Llantero. Still a 5-point lead here. Septo. Passes to Coronejo. Now to Nagar going inside for an easy 2.
10 seconds to shoot para sa Panthers. Alminye. And Alminye with that 3 points. Crucial 3 points para dito kay Alminye.
Now, a 5-point lead. Nagar on the inside, but that's a traveling violation. So it will be a turnover for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Nolyantero without rebound. Nico Nagar handling the ball now. And the turnover again. Back-to-back turnover. Now Annunciation have the chance to win up against the ACC Green Serpents. Para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now ACC Liantero. Diretso but blocked by jersey number 11 Castillo. But the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Liantero. Ball will stay again on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with just 16 seconds to shoot here. That's a 2 coming from Coroneo. Now Annunciation Panthers basketball. Alminye ay may hawak ng bola. Attempts for 3. No good. The ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers here. Apat na lamang dito ang hinahabol ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, Bustillo. Tucalpo. No good. Now, Nagar heavily guarded here. Passes it. Kakagawa ng bola. Matos. Tucalpo.
Back to Panthers ball possession. So foul was committed again on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Again, to all our live viewers, all negative and offensive, including inappropriate comments, will be blocked from watching the live stream on our page. Let's work together to maintain a positive online community. Thank you. So another point was added on the side of the Panthers.
Now, Almario going inside, passes to Nagar. No good.
Rebound ngayon para sa Panthers. Matos. Passes to Alminye. Alminye. No good on that attempt. And a whistle foul was called on jersey number 5 of the ACC Green Serpents.
First attempt was good for Bustillo. Now he will try again for the second time. 2/2 para dito kay Bustillo. 48-55. 7-point lead. Now ACC's basketball. Yantero handing the ball. Passes to run. 13 seconds to shoot now. Nagar. With 7 seconds. No good. So we'll stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Yantero to inbound. 13 seconds on their shot clock. Now Yantero. Pass to Braun. For AC2 here. 50-55 on our scoreboard. Last 47 seconds of our third quarter.
40 seconds remaining on our third quarter. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Matos taking his time. Time to shoot for the Panthers. So another 2 points was added on Panthers. Now, Green Serpents with the ball possession. Braun loses the ball.
On the last sequence of the Annunciation Panthers, it's a 3-pointer coming from Alminye. Now, 6 seconds remaining bago magtapos ang ating third quarter. Ball possession of the Panthers here. Alminye with 3 seconds to shoot here to Matos. Now Matos, no good. At yun po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. 50-58 on our scoreboard in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. Magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here for our fourth quarter. So last 10 minutes na ng ating finals game 3 between the Serpents and the Panthers. 8-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng Panthers.
Now 50-58 on our scoreboard. 8-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. So let's see, this is the last quarter of this do-or-die game of the ACC versus Annunciation. Malapit na nating malaman kung sino nga ba ang magkakampyon ngayong taon for our seniors basketball. No, Annunciation Panthers basketball.
Now, Panthers ball possession. Sabio loses that ball. Great steal coming from the Serpents.
Now, Bonaobra. Handing the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. 14 seconds on their shot clock. 10 seconds. Passes now to Acabado. Acabado now going inside. Tries for a long two. No good.
Fajardo para si rebound ngayon. Now, Alminde. Again, ACC ball possession.
Now ACC's basketball. Acabado now with the ball. Passes to Llantero. But that's a traveling violation. So the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. They're still on the lead of 8. Now ball possession again of the Panthers. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, ano update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the last quarter of the game, and the Serpents are now regaining their momentum on this ball game. During the huddle, the coaches reminded them the importance of knowing your positions as well as playing them effectively. Run the system and show them the true spirit of a Serpent. This is the last quarter of the game, and the most important one, kaya naman mas maging matalino and make sure to utilize the time to elevate your performance and prove your place here sa Bukal. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Ten and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much for that update, Ali. So, kailangan nga ditong pag-igihan ng Serpents ang natitirang minuto sa ating fourth quarter. And with that, last sequence nga makakakuha ng 3 points ang ating Green Serpents.
Still on the lead itong ating Annunciation Panthers, at para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Rick and Dean. The reminders of Coach Ron are starting to pay off because the Panthers are showing enough efforts to stay on the lead, balancing both offense and defense plays. But of course, the game is still in play and they still have to do what they have been doing. Observe proper plays and be mindful of the next step inside the hard court. Back to zero mindset tayo, focus on winning the game. Then again, this is the Panthers that came in confident, and I know that will finish this game confident. That's it for now. Back to the Panthers.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update. 8 minutes and 20 seconds na lamang natitira sa ating fourth quarter. And Panthers is still on the lead. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Rain, kapit lamang sa mga natitirang minuto dito sa ating final quarter. Matos for that second chance point para dito sa ating Panthers. Now ball possession ng Green Serpents.
Now, Llantero handing the ball. Passes to Acabado. Now to Braun on the inside. Pero, a steal from the Panthers. Now, Fajardo ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Almiñe on the inside para dito. But that would be an offensive foul. So it's turnover. Basketball of ACC. 53-60. 7-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers now. Bonaobra handling the ball for the ACC. Now passes to jersey number 14 at Vincula. Now Bonaobra, 15 seconds to shoot. Bron ngayon may hawak ng bola to Advincula. No good. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Blocked again by Fajardo. Now, Alminye for a fast break point. Hindi pa naipasok, but Matos was there for a second chance point. Now, back to ACC. 53-62. 6 minutes and 54 seconds remaining para sa ating last quarter. Now, Bonobra. Passes here to Almario. Almario, step back for 3. No good.
Now Matos, nagmamadali dito. Still, the ball will go on the side of the Panthers. Now Calpo with the ball. Bantay sarado dito. And yun nga, naagaw nga dito ng ating Serpents ang bola. Pero wasted opportunity para doon kay jersey number 5. Alminye, too short for that 3 points. Now Calpo on the other side. And this time, Calpo with that 3 points.
Now, 53-65. Now, that's a quick 2 coming from the ACC Green Serpents. 10-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun nga, nakabawi agad doon ang Green Serpents from that last sequence. In and out ball para kay Manlapas. Chance for the Serpents here to have a score.
Now, a quick pass. But it was a foul there. So Bron will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 55-65. 10-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers. 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Now Bron for his first attempt on the free throw line. No good for that one, but he will try again to make the lead on 9. Now Bron again for his second attempt on the free throw line. That's good.
Now, chance for the Panthers here to add their score. 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining on our 4th quarter. Foul was called on jersey number 16. Pushing foul ang natatawag dito kay Almario. Now, Calpo to inbound. Itatawid ngayon ni Manlapas ang bola para sa Panthers. What a great assist coming from Fajardo. Grabe ang connection ni Alminye at Fajardo. Now, Serpents basketball. Kailangan ditong trumabaho ni Nagara at ni Bron para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now ACC's basketball too strong for that one. So it's turnover for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Malapit na po magtapos sa larong ito. 4 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. 56-67 at napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan. Itong ating Annunciation or ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 56-67, magbabalik po kami. Only here at Aragon Sports TV, Lika ng mga kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng fourth quarter, bakbakan between the Serpents and the Panthers. Now Fajardo with the ball. Passes to Alminye. Ten seconds to shoot para sa Panthers. But this time, no good for that para kay Fajardo.
No, Nagar handling the ball. Quick three here, no good.
Alminye, itatawid ang bola dito para sa ating Panthers. Bustillo may hawak ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Whistle again from our referee. Foul was called on jersey number 5. So yun nga. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on our time. Bustillo on that free throw line. No good on that first attempt. No good. 2 shots. No good para dito kay Bustillo.
Now, Llantero of ACC handling the ball now, heavily guarded by Calpo. 14 seconds to shoot, but stepping on the line, kaya pupunta ang bola sa side ng Asian Panthers.
Panthers basketball. Alminye, bantay sarado dito ni jersey number 17. Strong pass para doon kay Manlapas, turnover. So the ball will go on the side of the Serpents.
Now, Buloobra handling the ball. 17 seconds to shoot here. 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining para dito sa ating last quarter. Now, Llantero. That's an easy 2 for the ACC. Napatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang Annunciation Panthers. 58-67, 9-point lead of the Panthers here. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here for our fourth quarter. Ball possession ng Panthers. Manlapas. Great steal coming from the Serpents.
Noah Cabado passes here to Advincula. Advincula tries for 3, no good. But a whistled foul there. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Alminye. Now, Acabado on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 9-point lead lamang nahabol nila dito. No good for that first attempt. will try again for the second time. 58-67 on our scoreboard. 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Now, Cabado again for his second attempt. That's good this time.
Calpo. Bantay sarado ni Acabado. Fajardo with the ball. Passes to Alminye. Alminye fires for that 3. No good. Bron with the ball.
Now pass to Yontero. To Almario. To Acabado. Now on the corner for 3. Bona Obra. No good. Offensive rebound dito para kay Almario. Now Acabado will try again. Wala pa rin. But the ball will stay on the side of the CC Green Serpents. 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining na lamang po na titira dito sa ating fourth quarter. 14 seconds on the shot clock of the ACC. 8-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Leontero to inbound. (59-67). 8-point lead of the Panthers. Now Leontero to inbound. Now passes here to Acabado. Tries for 3. That's good. Napatawag nga ulit ng timeout dyan. Ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 62-67. Just a 5-point lead na lamang po inaantay natin dito. On that corner, firing that big 3. Kaya't naibaba na lamang sa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Annunciation Panthers. If the Panthers wants to win this game, they need to be consistent. Of course, kailangan pa nilang pag-igihan ang depensa na dito. While on the side of the ACC, they just need to continue what they're doing right now so that they can get the championship. But let's see, medyo mahaba-haba pa tong 2 minutes and 21 seconds para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Will it be the Annunciation Panthers or the ACC Green Serpents who will bring home the championship after this do or die game? Now back to the ball game tayo. This would be the Annunciation Panthers basketball.
So ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. Ang gandang depensa ang pinapakita dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Another great steal. Samahan pa yan dito ng free throw.
No. Bona Obra will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Nagsitayuan na nga ang ating ACC community. Now Bona Obra. Para makahingi tayo ng quick update on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter si Rain. Hi Rain, update natin dyan.
Hello, Rick and team! Talaga namang napakainit ng laban ng dalawang teams ngayong araw, but of course the Panthers are not giving up. They are going all out on the court and giving their A-game for this match. Madami pa tayong dapat abangan sa kanila. Subaybayan natin sila all year. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, huwag mawalan dito ng magandang opensa at depensa ang ating Panthers according to the report of Rain. Fajardo with the ball. Pero no good on that.
No, Acabado. 19 seconds to shoot here. Now Leontero.
Great steal coming from the Panthers. Decano. Passes to Matos. 14 seconds to shoot. Fajardo Pero Matos on that offensive rebound. The ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero magre-review daw dito on the side of our referees. Pero tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter ng Green Serpents para makahingi ng update.
Babalikan natin kaya si Ali. 63-67, just a 4-point lead here of the Annunciation Panthers. Now this is the most intense game. Malapit na pong magtapos itong ating championship round out the seniors basketball. A minute and 14 seconds remaining na lamang po dito. Grabe, yung bakbakang ACC at Annunciation Panthers. So let's see in that remaining time kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari dito. Will it be the ACC or the Annunciation Panthers who will go home the championship for the seniors basketball? But before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Big Havayanas, Ari Cruz Mera at Elite Sportswear. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium sa walang sawang pagsuporta ninyo po. Now, basketball of the Annunciation Panthers, they have the chance here to be still on the lead.
Fajardo to Calvo. 10 seconds to shoot. Great steal coming from the Serpents.
Noah Cabado with that last two.
Now, 44 seconds remaining.
Now, Acabado again, tying the game on 67 all. Now, nagwawala na nga yung mga fans dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents pagkatapos niyang 2 points coming from Acabado. Now, we only have 37 seconds remaining para magtapos itong ating laro. Napaka-intense na po ng ating sitwasyon ngayon. Again, Acabado retrieved the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, we can see the excitement on our live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Napakaganda nung laban ng ACC and Annunciation. Now, the replay of the Acabado for tying the game against the Annunciation Panthers. Now, nahabol nga nila yung kanilang 10-point lead kanina. Mga 3 minutes. Now, ito na nga, hindi na natin alam kung sino nga ba dito sa dalawang kupunan ang mag-uuwi ng kampyonato. We are tied on 67 all.
Seven seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Grabe, 67 all. Talagang magandang laban ang ipinapakita dito ng Panthers at Serpents. Now, Calpo to inbound. Matos, may hawak ng bola.
Now the ball. The ball on the side. Of the ACC Green Serpents. Now with the last 28 seconds. Tied on 67 all. Now Llantero with the ball. Last 24 seconds of the game. Now Llantero taking their time here. Passes to Buena Obra. Buena Obra on the inside. No good. Now Calpo secured the ball for the Anunciation Panthers. Now Fajardo with 7 seconds to shoot. But a foul was whistled here. So, free throw was given on the side of the Anunciation Panthers. Now, kapit lamang po mga kaibigan with the last 5 seconds of the game. Natawagan nga. Natawagan nga. Now, Alminye will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Hindi pa naipasok ni Alminye yung isang free throw na yan. Now let's see for his second attempt with the remaining 5 seconds of the game. Again, there's the championship of the men's basketball. Now Alminye for his second attempt on the free throw line. Magkakaroon ba tayo ng overtime? Let's see. Now Alminye, you need to shoot this. That's good. And a timeout was called. Sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, 67-68 with the remaining 5 seconds on the shot clock. Will it be the ACC or the Anunciation who will bring home the crowd?
Grabe, Tin. Talagang sulit na sulit ang panunood dito ng ating mga live audience at live viewers. Grabe. Wala akong masabi sa dalawang koponan na ito. 1-point lead para dito sa Panthers. 5 minutes and 27 counts. Grabe. Ano kaya ang mangyayari dito? Let's see. I know everyone is excited kung sino ba ang hihiranging champion ng Bukal Season 5 Seniors Basketball Edition.
Now let's see. Intensity is on. The heat is on. People are shouting for their respective teams. Now we're back on the ball game as the ACC's basketball. 5 seconds remaining. Now this would be the ACC's basketball. Let's see anong mangyayari dito. Will the ACC bring home the crown or the Annunciation Panthers have the championship? Now, ACC with Llantero to inbound. Last 5 seconds. The Panthers need to double their defense here kung gusto nilang maiuwi ang kampyonato. Now, Llantero to inbound. 5 seconds. Now Llantero. Passes here to Buena Obra. Now Buena Obra with the last 3 seconds of the game. Passes to Llantero. Tries for 3. No good! Now let's see. We need to calm down, people. If that last point coming from Bron will go inside in time. Titingnan natin kung pumasok pa sa oras yung puntos ni Bron. The referees will review that last sequence. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. People calm down.
Grabe.
The ACC or the Annunciation.
Grabe na ang intensity ng mga fans dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. What a game!
Titignan natin kung naipasok pa yon ni Braun on that last sequence. We will announce later. We will review. Let's see.
Settle down, settle down.
At po, Annunciation Panthers bring on the championship against the ACC Green Serpent. The Annunciation Panthers as the champion of the seniors basketball team. Hindi po pumasok on time yung shoot ni Braun.
Grabe. Annunciation Panthers.
Yung bola, wala na tayong time.
Tama.
So, the Annunciation Panthers.
As you can see on our replay. Let's see one more time. And that's it.
Wala. Malinaw po na nabitawan. Wala ng time.
Men's Division. Annunciation College.
So that's it. What an epic championship game between the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. Congratulations to ACC Green Serpents for giving us a good fight. Now we ended the game 68-67 with Annunciation Panthers getting the championship for the seniors basketball. Congratulations to this both teams.
Grabe, Tin. Talagang pinakitaan tayo na magandang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Congratulations to the ACC Green Serpents and Annunciation Panthers. What a game!
Now let's just wait for the awarding of our champion and first runner-up for the seniors basketball. And congratulations din po sa mga fans ng ACC at Annunciation Panthers for celebrating with us tonight. This is the last day of the Bukal Season 5. What a great game to end this season. Napakagandang pagtatapos po ng laro ng Annunciation at ACC Green Serpents. We also would like to thank our sponsors in these sportswear: Bigs, Havaianas, Ari Cruz, and Mera. We also would like to thank our Bukal executives, our statisticians, logistics, gatekeepers, courtside reporters, and commentators.
All right, let's settle down, settle down. We will... Settle down. Settle down, settle down. Annunciation, please. On your corner, please. Ladies and gentlemen, before we award the Bukal Season 5 first runner-up and the champion, would like first to award the certificate of appreciation for the Bukal Season 5 Medics, Mariners, Red Cross Youth Council. Let me first read the citation. Bukal Season 5 Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Lance Francis Lenaz in recognition of your extensive hours of volunteer work as medics for Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 5. This award is given for your hard work, dedication, and invaluable service. Please accept our humble thanks and heartfelt appreciation from Bukal officers given the second day of December 2023 at Ateneo de Naga University, Naga City, Camasur. Signed, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, Bukal President. Lance Francis Lenaz. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Richard A. Manalo. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Willie Kyle Ivan Postrado. Same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Archie Royce Atienza. Same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Christian Joseph San Juan. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Bukal Season 5 Medics, Mariners Red Cross Youth Council. Ladies and gentlemen, Bukal Season 5 Men's Category first runner-up. May we request the players, please. Amando Cope Green Serpents, first runner-up. May we request the players, please, and coaches. Your award. First runner-up. Players, please. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Bukal Season 5 Men's Category first runner-up. So ladies and gentlemen, Bukal Season 5 Men's Category Champion, Anastasia Courage! Follow us, please! And coach, to the one and course of the Bukal President, Mr. Don Razon, Mr. Jack Claro. And if the Peaks marketing officers are around, Mr. Cedric Cayabi, please join us. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Bukal Season 5 Men's Category Champion, Annunciation College. All right. We now come to the voting for the Juniors Finals MVP. Juniors Finals MVP jersey number 4 of Amando Cope College, Phil Justin Canoes Colores. To present the award, of course, the President of Bukal, Sir Mario Villanueva, Sir Don Razon, and Sir Jack Claro. The Bukal Season 5 Seniors Finals MVP with 12.33 points, 10 rebounds, 7.33 assists. Jersey number 69 of Annunciation College, Mark Ernest Fajardo. Bukal Season 5 Men's Category Seniors Finals MVP, Mark Ernest Fajardo. Bukal Season 5. Best Coach from Annunciation College, Coach Ron Almanzar. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up, Amanda Cope, with servants, and the champion, Annunciation College. Thank you very much for supporting Bukal. See you again next year for Bukal Season 6. Congratulations, the winners.
Ayan mga kapamilya, kapatid, kapuso, our finals MVP, it's Fajardo of the Annunciation Panthers. At sa atin pong pagbabalik, an interview from him ang ating mapapanood. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Afternoon, Bicolanda, and to all the basketball fans watching. Bukal Season 5 has finally ended, and the champions are no other than the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. This has been a long journey, folks. Talaga namang sinubaybayan natin sila mula sa umpisa, and they have shown an incredible performance throughout the season. Now with me is the finals most valuable player, jersey number 69, Mark Ernest Fajardo. So good afternoon. Ikwento mo naman sa amin kung ano ba ang naging journey mo dito sa Bukal Season 5.
Ayun, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Kasi solid yung pagod namin, biyahe namin. Sa susunod na season, ngayon, papakitaan pali. Ibibuhos pa rin namin yung laro namin.
And ikwento mo naman sa amin kung gaano ka ka-proud sa sarili mo at sa teammates mo now that you managed to clinch the champion of the Bukal Season 5.
Ayun, sabi ni Coach, all out lang talaga kami lahat. Nag-usap-usap kami kasi yung teammate namin nawala. Kaya nag-struggle kaming lahat. Kaya yun, sinunod namin si Coach na tumakbo lang ng tumakbo. Huwag matakot, mapagod kasi may papalit sa amin. Ayun, maraming salamat.
Talaga namang ginalingan at nagpakitang gilas kayo. Kaya naman, this is your chance na mag-shoutout o magpasalamat sa supporters mo.
Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Kala Ma'am Jean, walang sawang suporta kay Sir Richard, kay sa mga coaches, kay Coach Tope, solid. Sa pamilya ko dyan, sa Bulan Sorsogon, kala Mama, Papa, lahat, ate, kuya, lahat ng mga suporta sa Annunciation.
Shoutout sa akong mama sa Banay-Banay. I love you, ma. Para sa inyo na champion mo. Shoutout ako, mama. Lolo na ako si Jensen. Love you, ma. Champion mo, ma.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Bulusan sa SB Bowlers Bayaga at kay Sara. Shoutout sa iyo.
Shoutout sa Calpo Family. Salamat sa suporta sa inyo tanan. Thank you.
Shutdown. Ay. Maraming salamat kay Padi G-Boy. Okay, alam ko nanonood ka. I love you, Padi. Saka sa girlfriend ko, shoutout sa iyo. Huwag ka na magtampo, Leah Berlino.
Thank you and congratulations. Now, this has been an incredible season. I am once again your... Now with me is the best coach of the season, Coach Ron Halmanzar.
Yes, hello. Good evening, everyone. Hello sa mga viewers.
Coach, gaano ka ka-proud na your team clinched the championship this year?
Actually, I'm very proud kasi yung mga sacrifices namin, ito nagbunga yung sacrifice namin. I'm very happy, I'm very proud ako sa mga players ko na ginawa nila lahat. Even si Salvacion na alis ng second quarter. Kaya, thank you Lord. Salamat.
And throughout the season, Coach, alam naman natin na wala kayong supporters na dumalo dito, pero alam kong damang-dama nyo ang supporters ng live Facebook viewers at ng mga sumusuporta sa inyo all the way from Sorsogon. Kaya naman, this is your chance na magpasalamat sa kanila.
Thank you very much sa mga nagsumuporta sa amin, sa taga-Sorsogonon. Salamat sa inyo. Kahit sa mga viewers ng Bukal, thank you very much. Pati sa Serpents, sa Kope, thank you very much din sa mga supporters. Thank you.
Again, thank you and congratulations, Coach Ron. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon, signing off.
And that's our finals MVP, Mark Ernest Fajardo. Again, congratulations to Annunciation Panthers, the champion for our seniors basketball. And still, congratulations sa ating first runner-up na Amando Cope College Green Serpents. What a great night to end this game.
Yan, team, talagang binigyan tayo ng magandang closing na laro nitong dalawang koponan na ito. ACC Green Serpents and Annunciation Panthers. Saludo po ako sa inyong pinakita dito sa atin sa Bukal Season 5. Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok, sumubaybay sa lahat ng journey dito na nangyari dito sa Bukal Season 5. Nagtapos na ang ating liga, pero kayo andito pa rin nagsusuporta sa amin.
Ayan, kaya Rick, maraming salamat po sa ating statisticians, logistic, gatekeepers, commentators, courtside reporters, our technical team dito sa One Media TV 48 Naga, our Bukal Executive, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Bukal Season 5. This is the last day of our Bukal Season 5 Juniors and Seniors Basketball. Magkita-kita po tayo next year for the volleyball tournament of the Bukal Season 5 only here at Oragon Sports TV. Siyempre, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Rick Puerta, and sabay-sabay nating tuklasan ng volleyball naman next year only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.